Hi everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we're going to dive into a crucial topic for any WordPress website owner, optimizing images. Proper image optimization can significantly boost your site's speed, improve SEO, and enhance the user experience. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why optimizing images is so important. Large, unoptimized images can slow down your website, which affects user experience and can lead to higher bounce rates. Additionally, search engines like Google use site speed as a ranking factor, so optimizing your images can also improve your SEO. The first step in optimizing your images is choosing the right format. Here are some common formats and their uses. 1. JPEG, great for photographs and images with gradients. It provides a good balance between quality and file size. 2. PNG, best for images that need transparency or have text and sharp edges. PNG files are larger but retain high quality. 3. WebP, a modern format that provides high-quality images at smaller file sizes. It's supported by most modern browsers. For WordPress, WebP is a fantastic option if your theme supports it. Once you've chosen the right format, the next step is to compress your images. Compression reduces the file size without significantly affecting quality. Here's how you can do it. 1. Using plugins. There are several WordPress plugins available that can automatically compress your images. Popular ones include Smoosh, offers both lossy and lossless compression. Imagify provides various levels of compression and a bulk optimization option. Short Pixel works with JPEG, PNG, and WebP formats. 2. Manual compression. You can also use online tools like TinyPNG or JPEG Optimizer to compress images before uploading them to your site. Resizing images to fit the dimensions needed for your website is crucial. Large images that are scaled down in HTML still load as large files, which affects performance. 1. Before uploading, resize your images using photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop or free tools like GIMP. Make sure the dimensions match the display size on your website. 2. WordPress plugins. Plugins like Regenerate Thumbnails can help you adjust the sizes of existing images based on your theme settings. Lazy loading ensures that images only load when they're about to enter the viewport. This can drastically improve page load times. 1. Built-in feature. WordPress has native lazy loading for images in recent versions. Ensure it's enabled by default. 2. Plugins. If you need more control, you can use plugins like a 3 Lazy Load or Lazy Load by WP Rocket. A CDN can distribute your images across multiple servers worldwide, ensuring faster delivery regardless of where your users are located. 1. Popular CDNs. Consider services like Cloudflare, MaxCDN, or KeyCDN. 2. Integration. Many CDN services offer easy integration with WordPress through plugins or built-in settings. That's it for today's guide on optimizing WordPress images. By choosing the right format, compressing, resizing, implementing lazy loading, and using a CDN, you'll ensure your site runs smoothly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.